Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Institute of Science and Technology. This is our second lecture related to project management, and we will cover project management principles in this lecture. The process of project management is guided by three key principles. First of all, we need planning. After that, we will control the project and manage the resources for project. Planning a project. The first step in project management is to define your project. We need answer of the following questions about our project. What is scope of the work? What activities will make up the project and what is the relationship to each other? You will also want to identify the major milestones that will help you monitor the project's process. The second answer we need is that what is the project duration? How will it take to complete our project? What are the dates when the project will begin and when it will be ended? What resources are available to the project? Beyond labor, think about all the types of resources you will require. And the next question is that who will perform what task? Determining your labor resources and their available work hours is a key part of building a successful project. You will need to plan for downtime and holidays and determine the regular work week for various staffing types. How much will the project cost? What are the costs per resource? Are there any hidden project costs? And the last question is what is the estimated budget? Establishing a project budget estimate in advance help you to monitor possible cost overruns. While planning a project, we require answer of all these questions. The next principle is to control a project. Once you have built your project and estimated your budgeting needs, you save this original plan as a baseline or target schedule to help you controlling the project. A baseline provides a solid point of reference as your schedule changes over time. It allows you to compare the original schedule to the current one and identify significant changes and develop contingency plans. You control a project to keep it heading in the right direction. You will want to track work progress, cost, and compare them to your baseline and then recommend what action should be taken. The next and the last principle is managing a project. Before this, we should know that effective project control reap many benefits. It allows you to keep a close eye on possible problems before they become critical. It lets the project team and senior management view cost and scheduling time frames based on the reality of schedule. The next is managing a project. The process of guiding a project from start to finish is the responsibility of project manager. A good project manager wears many hats, acting at various times as a motivator, communicator, coordinator, and advisor. As you control the project's process, it is your job to keep your team aware of the changes to schedule and possible consequences. In many ways, you are the project ambassador, ensuring that your project organization is carrying out its responsibilities for the best possible outcome. To be an effective project manager, also require consistency when you update your projects. Select a day each week or bi-weekly when you will regularly update the project. This regular update will include progress on values such as dates on which activities started or finished, dates when resources are consumed, changes to resources rate, determine a standard policy for update and scheduling procedures, and for reporting progress. The project management module provides many tools to assist you in the reporting progress to both team members and senior management. Use the project management website option to create a central location where the team member can view project progress. This was our second lecture, and after completing all the terminologies and theory regarding project management, we will move toward any project management software, and I will prefer Primavera P6 for project management. Thanks for watching. If you are new visitor on our channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you can receive notification regarding all our incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.